Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about how to handle multiple exceptions in a single catch block, right? So this is the new feature that came in JDK 1.7, right? So this feature came in JDK 1.7. So if you have JDK 1.7 installed or higher version, then only you can use this feature. Okay. So I'm writing int a equal to 10, int b is equal to 0. Okay, then a divided by b, so it will generate a arithmetic exception. So I'm handling using try catch, right? Exception occurs. Okay, so if I run this program Java application, then you can see exception occurs, arithmetic exception, right? Okay, so in now if I'll try to explicitly create array index out of bound exception, so int array equal to new int then 3, right? If I use for loop j less than array dot length j plus plus. Okay, so it should run till less than or equal to array dot length. So array of j equal to 5, right? So now this program will give us array index out of bound exception. Okay, so if I'm changing this to 5 so that there will not be any arithmetic exception now in this program there will be array index out of bound exception. So again we have to write one catch block to handle array index out of bound exception. Okay, so if I am running this program I should get array index out of bound exception, right? Yeah, I'm getting array index out of bound exception because the size of the array is 3 and we are trying to assign the value at the third index, right? So this will create as array index out of bound exception. Okay, now we as a tester are little bit lazy, right? So that's why we are creating, we don't want to create multiple catch block, right? So we can handle this exception in the single catch block we can handle, right? If I am running this, then also we should get the same exception, right? So it means in a single catch block we are able to handle multiple exceptions. Okay, so now if I correct this, let's try to create one more exception as null pointer exception. Okay, so I'm using equal to null, and if I try to call to string method on the null reference, I should get as null pointer exception, correct? Yeah, we are getting null pointer exception. Okay, so in the same catch block we can handle null pointer exception also. Okay, so I should get the message as exception occurs and null, right? We are getting the option as exception occurs and we are getting null pointer exception. So this is how we can handle multiple exceptions in a single catch block. Okay, so this feature came in 1.7, JDK 1.7. Okay, right. Thank you.